Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add your product to a showcase on your TikTok shop. If you're not familiar with what showcase are, basically if you own a TikTok shop and you would like to make sure that people will be able to see your product on your TikTok account, you will want to make sure that your product is available on your showcase, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So this is one of the local seller that I know here. So this is their profile, and if I go to their profile, obviously we're going to be able to see the video, but you can see that there is this shop symbol right here, and right here you'll be able to see a bunch of product that they sell. So when someone sees this product, they'll be able to either buy it, or maybe if they would like to be an affiliate on TikTok, they can also do it through this page right here. So if you would like to make sure that people are able to see your product, or if you would like to create some sort of affiliate program and you want people to start selling your product, you want to make sure that they can access the product through this page right here, and I'm going to show you how you can do that in this tutorial. Now the way is actually very simple. There is no specific way in order to be able to put your product on a showcase. All you have to do is make sure that your product is not on draft and everything is active so that everyone will be able to see the product. So I'm just going to show you real quick the product that I have on my TikTok shop. If I go to the manage product right here, you'll be able to see a bunch of product that I have. So you'll be able to see your product over here as well. All of them are live in status. You can see that if I have the product live, then the customer will be able to see the product on my showcase. But if I put them maybe on deactivate, if I deactivate the product, then it will not be shown on my showcase at all. So in order to be able to add your product, you're going to make sure that you add all of the details really well and you do not deactivate. So let's try and add a new product from scratch. I'm just going to go ahead and add a sample product for this one. For example, it's going to be this book right here, like so. Obviously you're going to want to add more than just one picture so that your customer will be able to see your product really well, but for the sake of this tutorial, this is all that I'm going to add. For the product name, this is going to be a journal, then I'm going to say self-healing diary. And what I like about TikTok shop is that when you add the name of the product, they will automatically assign a category for you. Even if this is not the exact category, you can always change it over here, but this part right here is totally very helpful. So let's say I want to add this to, let's just put it here. I'm just going to add this as notebooks and paper. Obviously you're going to want to assign the exact category to your product. Again, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it be as it is, and then you can add your brand if you want to. If it has no brand, you can just choose no brand, as you can see here. So that is what I'm going to choose. And obviously you want to fill in your product attributes, add the product details here, and if you don't know what you have to say about the description, you can just ask the AI to help you with it. You can add videos, you can add the sales information. I'm just going to go ahead and add the retail price. So let's say it's going to be 30,000 for this one, and I got 5 for this one. And for the shipping, let's say it's going to be just like 1 kilogram. The height is around, I'm just going to wing it. Let's say this is around 20, maybe. The width is 15. Then you can set the delivery options, and once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click submit for review. Oops, I have to fill this in. I'm just going to copy this one to here. Alright, and then click submit to review. Now if you click save as draft, your product will not be able to be seen on your TikTok account, so make sure that everything is on live. I'm gonna go ahead and click manage listing over here and see if we got the product added successfully. So you can see that the book that I've added is still on review right here. So this will not be visible yet. And let's go back to the cell phone view of our TikTok. So here I am on my page, and you can see that I got the videos as well as the shopping symbols, the shopping bag symbols, and that means that that is my showcase. And this is how it looks like. And the self-healing journal that I've added actually appears right here, and if I click on it, people will be able to see that product details as well as all of the other product that I have on my shop. Now I'm going to try and switch this account into another account, and I want to make sure that other people will be able to see the product just like how I can see it on my own shop. Alright, so I have switched to another account, and I'm going to search for the TikTok shop account that I manage, and this is how it looks like. Now let's take a look at the showcase. As you can see, I got the product all listed here. Every single one of them appears on my showcase, which means that it is accessible and people will be able to buy it, or if they would like to be an affiliate for this product, they also will be able to do that. And that is basically how you'll be able to add product to your showcase. Again, if you happened to find a problem with it, it's probably because maybe your product is still under review, or maybe you happen to accidentally put your product on draft. So if you would like to make sure that your product is accessible to your customer, or maybe to your affiliator, you want to make sure that all of the settings are set right, none of them are on draft, and everything is active so that people will be able to see it on this showcase right here. So again, if you would like to take a look at what is wrong with your product, you can always go to the manage product sections right here, and you can edit your product here, or you can click more to see what else you can do. So if you notice, back when we were taking a look at the product that I have on my showcase, there are some wordings or some text that says that there are no commission for this product, and that is because I did not set up an affiliate commission. But if you would like to add an affiliate commission to the product that you've added into your showcase, you can always go ahead and click the set affiliate commission. Or maybe if you would like to add a discount to that product, you can also click set discount here, or you can create an ad specifically for that product, etc. So there is a lot of things that you can do with your product once you got it into the showcase. But let's say that you want to not show the product on your showcase anymore. All you have to do is just click on the product that you want to hide, and then you can go ahead and click on deactivate, and then they're going to ask you to confirm whether you really do want to deactivate the product or not. And now we got the product deactivate. Obviously they are going to put it into these deactivated sections right here. So let's say in the future you want to reactivate the product, you can always go to this sections right here and click on activate. So the difference between the deactivated one and the activate one is basically here on the status section. You can see this one says inactive, meanwhile all the other products says active. And once again, only the active product will be able to be shown on your TikTok shop showcase. If you happen to got a product that is suspended, which will be put it here, your product will also not be able to be shown on your showcase. So I'm not going to talk about what are the things that will be able to make your product be suspended. It's going to be another new topic, but basically if you happens to find that the product that you've just added into your TikTok shop does not appear on your showcase, the probabilities are either they're still on review, or maybe you accidentally put them on the draft, or maybe the product is suspended for whatever reason. And if you delete a product, it also will be taken off of your product showcase. And that's basically it. That is how you can add a product to your showcase on TikTok Shop. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.